Welcome to Aspectek Picks. Looking for an easy way to keep your living space free of annoying insects? The best indoor bug zapper provides safe, silent, and effective pest control, ensuring a cleaner, more comfortable home environment without harsh chemicals or constant maintenance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aspectek 20-watt electric indoor insect killer. The Aspectek 20-watt electric indoor insect killer is a dependable solution for keeping your home free from unwanted flying pests. Designed with 2 high-intensity UV light bulbs, it efficiently attracts mosquitoes, flies, moths, and other insects before eliminating them on its high-voltage metal grid. This chemical-free approach makes it an eco-friendly alternative to sprays and aerosols, ensuring a safer environment for your family and pets. A protective mesh screen adds an extra layer of safety by preventing accidental contact with the grid, which is particularly useful in households with children. Installation is simple. You can hang the unit using the included chain and hooks or place it on a flat surface for convenience. Maintenance is also straightforward thanks to the removable plastic tray that collects insects and can be quickly washed. 2 replacement bulbs are included, extending the unit's life while helping troubleshoot performance issues. This combination of safety, ease of use, and effective insect control makes the Aspectek a practical and reliable option for kitchens, living rooms, and other indoor spaces where pests are a concern.
Number 2. LiBa Electric Bug Zapper Indoor. The LiBa Electric Bug Zapper Indoor offers powerful, versatile insect control for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Featuring a 20W blue-violet light, it attracts mosquitoes, flies, moths, and even wasps across an impressive 1,600 square foot area. The high-voltage grid then eliminates these pests instantly, without the need for chemical sprays or odors, allowing you to relax in peace on patios, balconies, gardens, or indoor living areas. Safety is a top priority. Its fireproof ABS casing and child safety screen reduce the risk of accidental contact, making it especially family-friendly. With no motor to create noise, it operates quietly and unobtrusively. Convenience is also built in. The unit includes an on-off switch, a 5-foot power cord for flexible placement, and a removable collection tray for quick cleaning. A built-in hook allows you to hang it anywhere or simply set it on a countertop or floor. This combination of broad coverage, quiet operation, and user-friendly design makes the LiBa Electric Bug Zapper an excellent choice for homeowners who want both indoor safety and outdoor protection from flying insects.
Number 3. Dynatrap DT1050 1/2 Acre Insect Trap. The Dynatrap DT1050 1/2 Acre Insect Trap combines style, discretion, and powerful performance to protect your property from flying insects. Its all-weather construction allows it to be used indoors or outdoors year-round, providing continuous insect control without the need for sprays or zapping grids. The unit employs a 3-way protection system, UV light at a TiO2-coated surface, lure mosquitoes, flies, and other pests, while a whisper-quiet fan gently draws them into the internal retaining basket. This design is humane, non-toxic, and free of buzzing or crackling sounds. With coverage up to 1/2 acre, it's ideal for patios, backyards, or large indoor areas. The sleek black finish and decorative basket blends seamlessly with outdoor decor, so it doesn't stand out as a traditional bug trap. Maintenance is simple. Just empty the retaining basket when full and keep the unit running for uninterrupted protection. By combining durability, silent operation, and wide coverage, the Dynatrap DT1050 offers an effective, low-maintenance way to reduce mosquito populations and other flying pests around your home or outdoor spaces.
Number 4. Black+Decker Electric Bug Zapper. The Black+Decker Electric Bug Zapper offers a simple yet effective way to rid your space of flying pests. Using a 10-watt UV bulb, it attracts flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and wasps, and kills them quickly upon contact. Its safe, efficient UV technology makes it suitable for day or night use and is gentle enough for areas with children and pets. An innovative clog-resistant grid allows insects of various sizes to enter without reducing performance, while the removable tray makes cleaning effortless. A bonus cleaning brush is also included to scrub away excess waste, ensuring the unit stays hygienic and fully functional. Combining convenience, safety, and reliable insect control, this bug zapper from Black+Decker is a solid choice for homeowners who want a low-maintenance way to keep bugs at bay.
Number 5. Flotron BK40D Electric Insect Killer. The Flotron BK40D Electric Insect Killer delivers professional-grade pest control for larger outdoor spaces. Featuring a high-intensity 15W UV black light combined with a slow-release octanol mosquito attractant, it effectively lures and eliminates a wide variety of flying pests, including mosquitoes, flies, moths, and beetles. Operating without messy bags, chemical sprays, or sticky strips. Maintenance is minimal, just replace the UV bulb or octanol cartridge periodically to keep it working for years. Designed to hang easily anywhere on your property, the Flotron BK40D provides an efficient, cost-effective solution for managing flying insects, making outdoor living more comfortable and pest-free. Finding an effective way to combat flying insects can dramatically improve indoor and outdoor comfort. In this guide, we review the best indoor bug zappers, highlighting their features, coverage, and ease of use to help you choose confidently.